My name is Parker today, and today I'm going to read you Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy hands. Then wake up another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. You set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleep, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Sigh, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Goodnight, green truck. Goodnight. Spinning, tuning all day long. Cement mixer swings his worries on. Now yawn, he's very so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. One last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off the light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams his dreams of totally fun. Goodnight, cement mixer, goodnight. Dump truck loves to work in hollow. He carries both big and small. He moves the place from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheel. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Goodnight, dump truck, goodnight. Pipe down! Pushing with mighty blade, bulldozers work to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level the ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls in his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt and sand, excavator saves the land. He digs the lifts throughout the day. Arr! But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll beneath the moon. He tours up upon his track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Yawn! Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, good night. So my name is Parker, and I think I've already told you my name and why I chose this book, Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site, because I might want to become a construction worker. Keep reading books and keep learning.